So good afternoon. I just wanted to know a few questions from you regarding SolutionOne ERP. Wanted to know your experience. How was it with us? So can you just tell me how your experience went until now with the team and everything?
Okay. So initially we did have a great crave for this kind of system which could help us improve our day-to-day working activities, which indulge all the departments interconnectivity, and it can give me a proper report of the company's working. So initially I had been searching many of the softwares and other datas. So somehow with a reference of one of my friends in industry, SolutionOne industry, came in touch with me. I had explored all the data thoroughly, and I feel that this system fits very near to our requirement. Basically, we are job shop workers, so we are handling many different varieties of job on a single time. So what happens? There is no fixed process. Right? Every job we need to have different processes, different BOM, different materials, different authorizations. So basically, after looking to the portal and the main dashboard of the software, I found that this can be literally helpful to us in all the aspects whenever we need. So in the initial meeting, it was difficult for us to understand how it works, how can we embed our system through this system, which can filter us out good outputs. But finally, when we started the process of adding the system to our company, the entire team has supported us in all the respects, even pushing us forward to what we cannot, and it has helped us to incorporate that system into our company in such a way that now on a single click I can see the respective department's dashboard, and I can easily filter out what is there missing, which crunch is missing in certain department, and where do I need to focus more. So basically, yeah, I can say that it has helped us improve our working environment, and also it has shown some of the points where there is a potential growth aspect in our company. So it has also shown our strength and also shown the possible areas of improvement. So I show my gratitude towards the team SolutionOne, which has helped me getting my team into the system and giving a better output for my own organization.
That's great. One more thing, sir. How do you like our implementation team? Like they were really helpful, or how they helped you regarding this all things? How they helped you installing the software and everything like that way?
As I said earlier, that they were the one who pushed us forward to cross this hurdle, right? Because once coming from a non-system company into a system, it's a big task. It's not only about putting the data into the system, but it's also about putting something into the mind of the people which makes the data properly input in the system, and the system can work out properly. So the team has helped us in all the ways, considering moral support, technical support, and all whatever comes in the way. They have cleared the paths very well for all of us, so that we can thoroughly walk through the process and we can achieve the targets.
Great, sir. Thank you very much for supporting us, and we are looking forward for more collaboration ahead.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.